Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be driving around Ehimiri housing estate in Umuahia. From here, I'll be connecting to Ikot Ekpene road towards Ahimiri, Opet, even though I may not necessarily get to these places I mentioned, but I'm going to cover, the environment around these places I mentioned. Then I'll take you guys back to Azikiwe Junction, Umudik Junction, from which I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of bank road. Just watch the 7 minute video as I drive through around some places in the state capital of Abia State. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. If you find this video interesting, you can click the like button and the subscribe button, and also the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch my videos. So this part of Ehimiri estate I'm driving through, you can see they have good roads here. I think this is one of the few estates in Umuahia that I think has that I've seen a good road, like a third road. But then I don't know if this road, is good all around the estate. I don't know if it's everywhere in this estate that has this good road. You understand? But yes, at least they get road. People they live for here, they know what they complain about mechanic. And there are quite a couple of nice houses around here. As you can see in the video, there are nice houses around here. Even though the estates we have in Umuahia, you cannot compare them with the ones you have in some other states like Port Harcourt, Bayelsa, before you even talk about Lagos and Abuja. But of course, the one we have here with the manager. So from here, guys, I Ikot Ekpene road. From there, I go take on, I go some other places. When I just watch the video, comment, tell me what you think. You understand? But one thing about Umuahia, if you watch this video and you don't the reason say you want to come Umuahia, it's a very peaceful place. Very, very, very peaceful. Nobody worries nobody. So guys, as you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. So this is Ikot Ekpene road in Umuahia, from which this road straight up, just keep going straight. You're gonna get to Obotakara, Ikot Ekpene, you understand, all in Akwa Ibom state. So maybe that's the reason why they call this road Ikot Ekpene road, because it leads, straight to Ikot Ekpene. Now this road too, now from this road they from go Government College Umuahia. Yes. Now from this road they follow am go. Even this road now go from here they go Michael Okpara University of Agriculture. Now still from here you go still go NCRI, National Route something research. Then here now where they call Ahike for Umuahia. Yes, this is Ahike Ibeku. Abi? Yes, Ahike Ibeku. This is Ahike, the popular Ahike. Now here, now it be. So from here like this now we go still turn, must go show now. From here now, they go down now. You know far from the Latinos. Here now is not far from the Latinos, and also BCA road. I go see show now the junction now where you go from now. They go the Latinos and even BCA road. So Ibeku High School now, na him be this fence now where they paint, where just they shine. You understand? I don't know whether na their old boys na him paint am or be na government, but say as e just fine, sha. So this is the Ibeku High School. A lot of great men attended this school you are seeing here. See our bus stop, oh. Bus stop don't dey everywhere now for Umuahia. Anywhere where you drive go now, see another one. Bus stop, e dey everywhere. Now so we don't dey feel the impact of good governance. So I'm actually passing the court. This is a high court of justice, abi? Yes. Na court na be this. Now this road straight up, we dey go Umudik junction. The road is not that wide, but I don't know if this road needs to be dualized. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section if you think that this road needs to be dualized. For me, I think it needs to be dualized. Another road for Umuahia where they supposed to dualize. Now the road from Obakala. Yes, or Umuahia to Obakala junction. That road need dualization. Let's hope they do it. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So now here now they call Umudik junction. Yes. So from here now they carry on and go very close to FMC. Bank road, but I no go really enter inside. But the reason why I want carry on and go there is I want show na small walk where they go on there. All this are na business area, electronics, so cosmetics, so clothes, so waiting you want, anything where you want. Here na business area. Yeah, for Umuahia, this area they do business where. So as they see now, you see heavy duty machine there. They see say men they at work also. I feel like they expand this drainage. They construct new one. I don't know. So guys, I see make I say enter bank road. Mama show now all this side now na bank road. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe if